Hey guys, I'm Ija, work as a product manager at Fidia, and today I want to show you how you can build websites on Fidia with templates. You can do this with two ways. You can either go to our template store where you just pick the template that works for you. Um, you can get a preview of what all the templates look like. This just gives you um, a good view of the template preview image, basically. I like anything with a dark view and something for like a designer. Yeah, so let's go with this one. Just click on it, read the description. You get a preview real soon of what the template looks like. You can see why I actually like it is that it has a lot of color combinations and it looks good. It's quite minimalist. So all you have to do is tap on use, then you'll be prompted to log in. I already like have Google sign in. So you don't need to bother too much about, logging in because we have a bunch of options, one tap, SSO, login with email, anyone really that works for you. My template has loaded. You can see all the sections, the preview of the template. So I can just go ahead, click on a particular template. I can edit stuff. I can, change what the navigation looks like. This is the navigation. So on my work, I can change this to stuff, updates, just me, updates, and I can delete the third one, save. You can already see that it changes here. So that's how you add a template from the home page. Now I want to show you how you can add a template from within the dashboard itself. I can always switch it up and change the templates by going to templates here and decide to use another template, especially if I'm not satisfied with the one I saw. Tap on use template, although there's a caveat because all those things I typed would be overwritten. But I don't mind. I haven't done too much work. I just need to go back to sections, and in the same way, I'll be able to edit this new template. So that's a nice overview of how to use templates. There's actually one more way to use templates just in case. You go back to websites, just tap on websites. You'll be taken back to websites. So you can view the list of websites that you have. Tap on new websites, give the website a name, demo. Then we're just going to give this demo XOXO. Continue. Then we can start from templates. I'm just going to select this one here, use templates, and wait for it to load. There you have it. So this is how you could possibly work with templates, and it's really simple. All you have to do is change the details, and the designs and everything else, would work together. So yeah.